Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Before I start my speech, I want to introduce myself first. My name is Askia Harinisa as the first speaker of the opposition team. And here, I want to give you my argument about the motion that says, in areas of persistently low academic achievement, that this House believes that countries should prioritize reforming the curriculum over build-up educational facilities. I want to explain from my point of view, reforming the curriculum over build-up educational facilities is actually something that is unnecessary, because every time there's a new curriculum, it always needs some new facilities too. The example is in Indonesia itself. There's curriculum TSP, then 2013 curriculum, then 2013 revision curriculum, and then Merdeka curriculum. You think all those improvements don't mean any improvement in the facility? In fact, it should be in line and balanced between the curriculum and facilities. If we only focus on the curriculum, it's pointless. I want to give you some reason about it. The first reason is, there's some lesson that needs adequate facilities. The lesson here, such as chemistry, physics, and language. First, there's chemistry. You think by learning that when this substance and this substance with this consistency, it has to be some other substance. So, how would the student understand that without real practice, not just, writing and learning and reading, they need a real practice. And real practice need a lot of things, such as labs. And what is in chemistry labs? There are microscope and test tube and etc. There's a lot of things in chemistry lab. It's identical for the physics language, for the physics lesson. And language, they need to practice maybe like listening or anything else. And where is that? Where you can learn to listening. It could be in language lab or maybe in class, but the teacher should bring speaker and laptop. It's just really, bad. And the second reason is for comfort in teaching and learning activities. You know that in areas of persistently low academic achievement, because the facilities is bad, the student don't feel comfortable to learn and the teacher don't feel comfortable to teach. Because of this, it could decrease the enthusiasm from both sides. Also, before I end my argument, I want to respond the government argument. First, you say that the reason why there's low academic achievement is because there's less enthusiasm from the teacher to teach their student, also from the student itself. What do you think about this? You think it's because the curriculum isn't fun or efficient? Or maybe because the curriculum is fun and attractive, it needs a good facilities. Just like Merdeka curriculum, the teacher should use something to make lesson fun, such as a projector or do a real experiment. If the facilities is bad, they can't do that, because the school don't support any of that. Well, the teacher, they have to do that because they have to teach. Do you know the average salary from teacher in Indonesia? It's under ₦1,000,000. And for teacher who is civil servant is 4,000,000 rupiahs. And teacher is someone who has a family that needs to be provided. They teach to work, to get money. And the second reason is, you say prioritizing reforming the curriculum will deploy talent to competition such as the OSN, because they know the tips and tricks. Well, when you know the tips and tricks, but you can't follow a competition because there are no facilities to do that, then what is it for? What is the tips and tricks for? There's no point of that. For example, this competition or an SDC, which done online, for some school who don't have good facilities, can't follow up with the time. There's more than 10 tests that begging for more time because the connection is bad or anything else. Also, competition nowadays is done online. For some school, or in this case with low academic achievement, it's usually because the facilities is bad that they can't do the competition. Maybe that's all for me. I think it's enough to express that I am totally disagree with the motion that says this House believes that countries should prioritize reforming the curriculum over build-up educational facilities. Thank you very much for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.